So I've been fishing lakes for 45 years in the Kamloops area. And you'd think after 45 years and 100 days a year, some years fishing, I'd get tired of it. But I don't. And it never gets boring for me because there's something different every day. During the warmer summer periods, it's an added challenge. It always pays to spend just a few minutes to look on the edge of the shoreline. So this gives you a few clues as to what might be going on or hatching on that particular day. So it's always worth spending just a couple minutes just poking around the edge of the lake at the boat launch. It's a bit more challenging, no question, fishing during the summer months. That's the fun of it. It's solving that puzzle that makes you think a little harder, makes you look a little harder to find potentially feeding fish. So a good searching pattern, they're always good to start off with when we know it's a non-hatch time. Oh. Nice rainbow. Oh, there's a little bit of fish starting to move, and that's the thing, summertime, you gotta move if there's fish moving to an area and not where you're fishing. Probably switch to dragonfly nymphs because they're emerging this time of year, as well as damselfly nymphs, as we saw earlier on shore. Look at that. That's juicy. Couldn't refuse a juicy one. It's not bad, fishing dragonfly nymphs. No complaints. He hit so hard, I thought I had snagged bottom. You often find less effort on the lakes in the summertime, and the people that you do see on the lakes typically are those in the know. Well, it's a tough morning. We've had our chances, didn't land them, but that's fishing. I've always believed that you have to spend time on the water. You have to pay your dues, regardless of the season, so that you keep in touch with the changes that are occurring in that lake. So while oftentimes I refer to the summer doldrums as a tough time to fish, I still like to go out like many other anglers, and every day's a challenge. Sometimes you have to think outside the box and try patterns that you never thought would work before. And some days we figure it out, some days we don't. That's what keeps us going back.